Hi everyone! So today I got the Tineco Floor 1 S5 Steam. It's a hard floor cleaner from Tineco. It's not only clean your floor, it's also sanitize them with the steam. Let's unpack them and see how it works. So let's unpack it. There's the quick start guide. So we have the brush to clean it with nice soft little bristles. We have an additional mop. Then we have, oh, it's a filter, additional one. So we have the handle here. Then we have the machine. It's a, I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a tray to start the machine. So I did unpack everything. We had a dry filter. Then we had a brush to clean the machine. An additional brush roll. Let's unpack the machine. Here it's in white. I think it only was in white, there was no black option. And there's two machines. There's S5 steam, that one I got, and 5 steam. This one has a sensor on top of the machine. And also a bigger water tanks. This is the water tank for the clean water. And for the dirty water. There's also the handle, and you need to click in. Like this. Until you hear the click. We have some instruction here, and also we have a big booklet to read. But who reads the instructions in 2024? No one. So here we can open and access the brush roll. We have some cardboards here. We need to remove it before use. And you can take out and clean the brush roll. Like this. And we put this and click it in place. Then there's stickers on the side. Another one from another side. And there's the Tineco iLoop sensor. And the cable. I don't know, I need to read. How long is the cable? 5 meters? Do you know? Leave me a comment. Let me give you a closer look. So we have the iLoop sensor here. Then we have the brush roll here. We have an additional brush roll that we can replace. Also, let's see the dirty water tank. Oh, we have the filter here also, and there we can replace it if you want to, or where we need to. So we have the filter here. We can remove it. Here's the filter, like I think it's HEPA filter, and we put it back like this. Then how do I open this? Like this. Oh, like this. There's the like it separates water from the like hair. And there's the how to clean it, basically. Clean the dirty water tank after each use to prevent odors. Of course, yeah, clean after each use. You like need to clean it every day. How do this water tank? Is it closed? Let's put it back in the machine. Done. So here is the whole machine. So we have some buttons on top of here. This is the self-cleaning. It self-cleans the brush roll with the steam. Then we have the on-off button and the steam button. Yeah, you can clean without the steam and with the steam. So it's like a cool like add-on to every heartphone cleaner.
It's very funny. It was coffee and now it's funny. Stop.
Coffee with honey.
Oh, coffee with honey.
And Tineco S5 steam.
Let's wait for steam. Wait for what kind of it?
Wait, let's wait.
Waiting for. Waiting for. One
Oh,
time.
steam. Let's clean. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. You see? Red. It detects the mud. You see? It's now turning blue. No.
Okay.
Good. Done.
Alright, good. It's clear. I think you need to take the paper towel and check it. Check it, please, with the towel. Not good. Not good. You need to clean one more time.
You think so?
Yeah, I'm sure. One more time.
Let's check on the brush roll. Clean. And we have another one for free, so we can change it in 6 to 8 months.
Oh, so long. It's good. I like it.
Finally, you liked something.
I have a high standard. Oh, the humidifier is working now?
Let's see the water.
This coffee.
And
coffee.
honey.
Coffee, yeah. Coffee and honey.
Coffee.
Okay.
Let's,
Oh, stop. 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 You see?
let's see the clean water tank. How much we use water? Here is no water left.
Finish.
Done.
Come back and say goodbye.
Do you like the Tineco?
Yeah.
I like it too. Bye bye, it was on Boopchick channel with some likes and subscribe.
Not.
You choose.
Not. Choose. Only one choice.
And there will be a link to buy this on Amazon UK. Bye.